In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate with Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect so you can connect your board to Gmail quickly and confidently. This is perfect if you want emails to tie into your workflows, keep conversations visible to your team, or simply reduce copy pasting between tools. First, open your board. This is the workspace where your items, tasks, or projects live. Make sure you're on the correct board where you want emails to be connected, since the integration you set up here will relate to this specific place. Take a second to confirm you have the access you need and that you recognize the items or groups you'll eventually want email activity to relate to. If you're working in a shared environment, being on the right board helps keep everything organized and avoids confusion later. With your board open, look to the top right of your screen and click Integrate. This button is your gateway to all available connections, and it's designed to be easy to reach from anywhere on the board. When you click it, you'll see a panel or marketplace style view that lists integrations supported by your platform. Think of this as the control center where you choose what tools you want to connect. If your screen is smaller or zoomed in, you might find it tucked behind an icon, but it's still up there on the right near other board level controls. Now select Gmail. You'll find it listed among the email or communication options. Choosing Gmail opens the setup window where you'll walk through a guided flow. At this point, it's normal to see on-screen prompts asking you to confirm which Gmail account you want to use and what kind of access the integration requires. Read the permissions so you understand what will be shared between your board and Gmail. The experience is typically straightforward, and your workspace will guide you through the connection steps from start to finish. Once you've selected Gmail, your board will remember that choice, and you'll be able to build on it as needed. If you ever don't see the Integrate button or Gmail in the list, it can be due to workspace permissions or admin settings, and viewing the board on a desktop browser usually provides the clearest path. Pop-up blockers or strict browser settings can also hide prompts, so keep that in mind if a window doesn't appear. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click Integrate in the top right, and select Gmail. With those simple actions, you've put the connection in motion and set the stage for smoother email-driven workflows.